Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Matiasi Nimatiwalu for the question. The Suva Radio 3P radio coastal station broadcasts maritime safety information to ships within Fiji waters, and the maritime safety information is promulgated by the Maritime Safety Authority of Fiji, and it stipulates hazards and dangers to navigation of which seafarers are to be aware of. The Suva Radio 3DP will broadcast this essentially maritime safety information every 6 hours. The coast radio station also monitors radio distress frequencies and coordinate radio traffic and relay ship-to-ship and ship-to-land radio traffic. Additionally, meteorological information is also broadcasted to ships along with navigational safety information. Ships send positional updates to Suva Radio, allowing the center to monitor vessel movements within Fiji waters. The role of the Suva Radio and RCC is part of Fiji's international obligation under the UNCLOS and SOLAS Convention. And this, Madam Speaker, international obligation is mandated by the government to the Republic of the Fijian Navy because of the capacity and expertise, infrastructure and capability. Also, it must be noted, Madam Speaker, as well that professional development towards these roles are offered through military cooperation programs with defence forces of Australia, India, China, New Zealand and the United Kingdom. Thank you, Madam Speaker.